SBY has launched a project called the Rebound Central Coast. Every day we'll bring you stories and give you tools to help you find a job and make ends meet. We'll help you manage the new pressures brought on by COVID-19. Together we will return to a life of normalcy. We will rebound and we'll do it together. Some businesses have been paying for insurance in case something like this happens, the coronavirus. Alicia Nieves found out that they're now having trouble getting paid out.
Many of us did not see a pandemic coming. Just think back 5 or 6 months ago when we were worried about holiday gifts and gatherings. We would have never predicted then a virus with unprecedented health implications, one that would cause a shutdown of the U.S. economy, a shutdown of so many U.S. businesses in a way never seen before.
It brought my business to a screeching halt.
Ted Challenger is the owner of several nightclubs in Boise, Idaho.
We're just in survival mode and struggle right now.
Like many savvy small business owners, Challenger actually planned for the unexpected. In addition to all his required business insurance, Challenger for decades has been paying for additional coverage called business interruption insurance. He thought that would be his business's lifeline.
The insurance company they outright denied my claims.
His insurance company cited this one line in the policy that states exclusion of loss due to virus or bacteria. Across the country, other insurance companies are using this line to deny claims for thousands of businesses. And policies that don't have that wording, insurers are saying they simply did not underwrite for this kind of claim and can't pay it out.
I am in high hopes of our elected officials will see a problem here and do something about it.
Organizations like the Insurance Information Institute have come out saying if insurers nationwide had to pay business interruption policy claims for which insurers collected no premium, it could cost the industry each month anywhere from $150 billion to $380 billion. But several states believe the industry can afford this and have introduced legislation to force companies to pay out for the policy, identifying that, quote, the industry's policyholders' surplus stood at $812 billion as of September 30th, 2019. Challenger is hoping, even depending on these bills passing.
From what I understood, after 9/11, there was a terrorism clause written into the insurance, and that Congress passed a bill that they did have to pay out on it to the businesses hurt during 9/11. So I very much hope that. I wish I had more time to spend on it, but we're just in survival mode and struggle right now. And it doesn't really afford us time to go chasing legislatures and lobbyists.
In addition to not having their claims paid, so many small businesses are still having to pay into their insurance policy or risk losing that policy and thus their business licenses. I'm Alicia Nieves reporting.